Well, we decided it would look much better if we had a three-part. It has dynamism, it adds some perspective, and it's a modern style of doing things. We also use the holdbacks, these barrel holdbacks, which make it give it a cleaner look. This material is 3mm PVC. It's very flexible, it's very durable, and we print directly onto this. If we move along, all of these other pictures, apart from the canvas at the end, is different materials mounted in the same way on 3/16 gator board, black, and we use gator board because it's stable. Foam board will tend to bow, but gator board is much more stable and static. We've used the same fixings, and basically this is our top of the line in terms of photographic paper. It is a metallic paper which is primarily used with black and white pictures, and the white turns to silver, and it adds a perspective that and a dimension and a quality that is you can't get anywhere else. This is our gloss photographic paper, so we're dealing with colors here, and you have the colors really pop, and it is a high reflection. Well, the resolution is nothing to do with us so much. It's a function of the picture that we were given. It does give us the ability, the higher the resolution, the bigger the picture that we can make. So making this from a digital file was relatively straightforward. But the choice of the gloss photo paper is critical, because when you have colors like this and you have contrasts like this, everything really is highlighted, and it becomes quite startling and quite sort of exciting as to the way it pops and stands out. This is a different finish. This is the satin photo paper, and it's more muted, this picture would not look anywhere near as good with gloss paper. It's an indefinable thing where you look at a picture and say, yeah, that really needs to be something more muted, more subdued. It's the church. You don't want it in gloss, in my opinion anyway. But it's down to the customer, and the option is available. This is watercolor paper. It's a textured paper, and again is matte and is much more suited to watercolor painting or hand-drawn art. It really kind of meshes together, and so this is the choice for this one. When you lay ink down on any fabric, you really have to be careful. And so, laminating it is always a preference. You'll still get the fit, you'll still get the overall sense, but it would be a matte laminate. You don't want the gloss on the gloss photo paper, and on the metallic photo paper you will laminate. You will use a gloss laminate, but on this you want to keep it muted. This is just a regular bond paper that any of these pictures can be printed on, and basically it's just a way of saving money. This is less than half the price of the metallic. It's half the price of the gloss, and so it's less expensive, but you still get great pictures. And we do probably 30% of all our work is using the bond paper, because it's so flexible, and it really is. It gives you nice results. And then finally is this young gentleman, and this is our canvas. It's a gallery wrap, and basically we do all of this in-house. We print on the canvas, and we wrap it, we frame it, we wrap it, we staple it, we do everything, so that this whole thing with the depth is all one, is all done in-house. And there we have 6 different basic prints or types of paper that we use on our wide format machine.